Hello everybody, this is Ian, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including the Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes and the Google Drive, Docs, and Sheets cheat sheets available from the In 30 Minutes cheat sheet store. Today I'm going to be talking about making a duplicate item in Google Drive. It's super easy. If you could take a moment to follow my channel or like the video, I would appreciate it. And what I'm going to show you works in Mac, Windows, Google Chrome, but I do recommend using the Google Chrome browser because Google Chrome is designed to work with Google Drive much better than other browsers. So here we are in Google Drive. Here's the most recent items I have. Let's say that I want to duplicate this particular item. So this is KDP August. It's a Google Sheet spreadsheet. Right click on it and select Make a Copy. Creating a copy of this particular file, and it created a copy. And if you want to, you can show the file location. So it might show it in your structure here. Also, you can just go to Recent, and it should appear at the top. And here it is. Okay. Another thing you should know about making copies, it doesn't just have to be Google formats. It can be other formats too. So for instance, I might have a PDF or this particular one. This is an Excel spreadsheet. I could make a copy of that just by right-clicking, making a copy. Let's actually do that. Creating a copy. Same thing. And then even this is an audio file. Make a copy. So one thing to keep in mind when you're making copies of stuff, it's pretty easy to do, but beware of the size of the files because some of them may be so big that they actually cause problems because they're taking up so much space. And even though Google Drive is free for starter accounts, once you reach a certain level, they'll start saying you need to pay more money if you want more space, or you have to start deleting stuff. Other thing to keep in mind is that you can select multiple files at one time and then do the same thing, make a copy. So you can make a copy of two things at once. You can make a copy of a folder. So if you need to copy lots of stuff, copy lots of files, that's the way to do it. For more information on how to get the most out of Google Drive, check out the book or the cheat sheets that we have about this, available from in30minutes.com or the cheat sheet store. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube. And thank you so much for watching.